Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We are looking at a problem that we've got this function and we know the output, so we need to figure out what the inputs are. So this is coming from CPM's Integrated Math 2, and this is section 9.3.3, number 9-108. So it says the number 6 is the output for Carmen's function machine shown at the right. So here we have this function machine. Our function is x minus 1, the quantity x minus 1 all squared plus 6. So it says the output is 6. It wants to know what the input is. So it wants to know what numbers could have been put in the input, right? So what we know is we're going to write an equation. This x minus 1 squared plus 2 equals 6. So I've got to figure out what x would make that 6. So I solve this equation for x. So to do that, we're going to go through the process of getting my x, my quadratic equal to 0, and using either quadratic formula or zero product property. So first of all, squaring x minus 1 is x squared minus 1x plus 1, right? You do the distributive property, and then I still have plus 2 equals 6. So if I clean this up on this side, I have x squared minus 2x plus 3 equals 6. Then I've got to get it equal to 0 to solve for x. So I have now x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. So now I can factor it. It looks like it's factorable. And use zero product property to solve for x. So x minus 3 and x plus 1. So zero product property, right, says that from here, x could equal 3 or negative 1. So there's my two possible numbers that would be that input. So x could be 3 or negative 1. So let's just double check this. So if I put the 3 in, I would say 3 minus 1 squared plus 2. 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 squared is 4, and 4 plus 2, sure enough, equals 6. So that did work. The other one was negative 1. Let's check that. Negative 1 minus 1 squared plus 2, right? So negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is 4, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So yes, each of these are the input values to get an output of 6. And there's the process.